Hello good people, welcome to this channel. Today we are discussing one fantastic item in software development and architecture. So this tutorial we are going to do a complete advanced guide about this very wonderful messaging broker technology that still outperforms even after so many years in the market, 15 plus years. So why did I choose today to demonstrate something around this? So this is a very interesting topic if you're doing large system with high traffic, if you're doing system which has a lot of streaming, if you are doing system that really needs a lot of throughput and you want to build a very reliable system. This is a topic that you don't want to miss. And the goodness is, after the end of this, at the end of this video, I'll also be doing a hands-on RabbitMQ tutorial whereby we'll dive into now the real stuff with working with RabbitMQ. So message broker has become one of the backbones of scalable system designs, whether you're building a microservice or event-driven architectures or distributed processing pipelines. Choosing the right broker for you here will determine the reliability of your system. It will determine the throughput of your system, the fault tolerance of your system, and the entire system architecture will now rely on how you're sending these messages or you're communicating within your microservices or services. So among many available options that you're having here, for my image you have Apache Kafka, NAT, we have ActiveMQ, we have Redis also. Sometimes people use Redis for queuing, though it's best for caching. And also we have ZMQ, stuffs like Apache Pulsar, we have Mosquito, we have so many other platforms, the Google Pub and Sub, Google, Microsoft Azure Service Bus, and stuff like that. So we have so many. Others are open source and others are enterprise, but today we are focusing on this episode amazing one which is called RabbitMQ and why it's beating the rest in terms of performance.